Now, me here say him cousin get catch in the Bronx, cause him cousin get deported too much time, you know, a boy named Chris Bimmer. And a Chris Bimmer used to give that boy a coke for selling, you know. You understand? Cause Chris Bimmer like him have some link. So the police hold Chris Bimmer, cause about 10 times him get deported, and him said to the police, how come you not come pick me up and you have Shotty Mark who a kill peer woman and kids still a walk the street in New York? Shotty Mark, you think me done with you? Eh? You think me done with you? Now, me run you from the store and you leg out the store and you try hang around the Dominican girl store where she work. Now, let me tell you something. Me try give you a chance in my youth. Me say turn in yourself or Lego. Me no want to hear or see nothing about you. You kill a whole heap of woman. You kill a whole heap of people. You understand? And you personally, countryman, me personally, me no care anywhere me there. I take you down, my youth. Me done bumbuckler, I tell you that. And you nah listen. Me have a surprise for you, you know. But me can't talk what the surprise is. But you gotta see the blowout surprise. Let's go. This a part 11. Yo, I 11 series me do on the youth here, you know. And me keep on I tell the youth here. Yo, him kill the Chinese girl, Debbie Chang. Because Debbie Chang no want him, and Debbie Chang man come from Western Kingston, and the youth are the good, and him bag a Chinese girl we have money, dog. Yo, him kill the two sister them, or the two friend them, we work a free zone. And me remember that killing here, you know, in a ditch. The man leave the girls them, dog. Yo, the man do some other things. Certain things him do me can't even disclose, you know. Cause me have certain agreement, so me not gonna talk about certain things with a pussy I do. But yo, me want you, me want Idiot Gloria, we have smoke crack. You have the Dominican youth them round you. You try program them. You understand? But me keep on I tell you, and you not listen. Alright. So me run you from your baby mother house. Me tell the girl up in a Mount Vernon if you stop make you drive the Benz, cause you beat her up. You understand? Yo, you stop put your drugs in the old Lexus where you have. You understand? Now, the only people them you could have program with are the Dominican and the Puerto Rican them. Me here say the super I keep your gun, my youth. And remember me tell you, the super there, you say if him not stop do them thing there, watch what gonna happen to him. But you, Mr. Shotty Mark Dinal, watch what gonna happen to you. You are one man now get away, you know. Cause let me tell you something, you are no bad boy, you know. Appear innocent people you kill, you know, and friend killer. Yo, me a bad boy there, and you couldn't face me, you know. Remember me tell you, you know, Mark Dinal, you think you could have faced Countryman? Would I rip off your blood clot head, dog, straight up. No, pussy, see a building there, and you can't go back there, so. Me make you run away from there, so. You understand? Now, me I go dress some other. Remember me tell you, me make you Lego your baby mother building. You understand? Me make you Lego the store. Cause the people them no want you at the store. You understand? But guess what? Now you itch up at the Dominican girl store. And me I tell the Dominican girl there, she need to let you loose. Because if she not let you loose, them are gonna have some problem with that store there. You understand? Believe me, that store there gonna get shut down because she's harboring a criminal, a murderer, a serial woman killer who do all sort of every in Jamaica and other places and expect to have a decent life, not over my dead body. You see, the thing with Jamaica, a whole heap of them kind of youth, ya dog, oppress the people them in the ghetto with them gang culture, and then them come a foreign, and people them expect people to see them, who them do things, destroy people, family, people lives, dog, and then you expect to come post up in a Bronx and I hustle and I make money, I buy gun, I send it go back to Jamaica. You and your little psychotic friend them, you understand? You come in the Bronx, you try to take over corner. My youth and on Jamaica, you need to send back Titty man them money. You understand? And I know so when Dudus them catch you, you gonna have problems. Them fling on your sister down there because them know where you do. You understand? And you testify against Dudus. As a matter of fact, all the money you make, you ever want send money at Jamaica and keep up something for the kids them? You never do nothing like that, my youth. You are a mean, selfish, big, stinking waste man. You understand? And you need to go to prison. Or you need to go in your grave. Straight up. But mother rather you go prison. Go sit down for the rest of your blood clot life, my youth. Straight up. And that me wish, my youth. Now, remember one time you try go up in that alleyway there. And me have to flush you out. Cause you think you can sit down between the building them and do your thing, but that can't work. Remember, your Benz gone, you gone. The other day, me here say you sit down out there and you have your little son. Now, the alleyway you are close to him baby mother, and me I tell you, lady, shut him out, baby mother. Stop making program your kids them for sell drugs. Me I warn you again. Me hear you write a post in the comment section and say, boy, you know, deal with him. But listen, stop making program your kids them. Him send them go for the pack, a crack and weed and coke when him run out. You understand? I'ma warn you about that. Now, listen. How can you make a man like this a dictate on no life and know that you a straight pussy and a idiot thing him a deal with him? Kill enough people, him beat you, him broke the woman when him did our Jamaica hand and foot for him two older kids them. Him go round, him a breed up the woman them. Him a grind them off. Yo, B, I don't know, him alone stay say, Enough of them out there, like that, Now, me here say him cousin get catch in the Bronx, cause him cousin get deported for much time, a boy named Chris Bimmer. And a Chris Bimmer used to give a boy coke for selling. You understand? Cause Chris Bimmer like him have some link. So the police hold Chris Bimmer, cause about 10 times him get deported, and him said to the police, how come you not come pick me up? And you have Shotty Mark who a kill peer woman and kids. Still a walk the street in New York. Chris, Shotty Mark a work with police. You never know. But don't tell on him a work with police. Yo, Shotty Mark all bisexual. You see that youth yeah? He's a sicko. You understand? Him did there with a big time PMP man. Last but not least, Shotty Mark, me I warn you, me have a surprise for you. You understand? If you don't want to leave the corner there, like me say, this is another last minute warning me again. You understand? Cause you think me a joke with you. You kill too much woman and you kill too much innocent people. You understand? Now, like me say, this is a recap, but me I make him know say, me still dep on him case. You understand? Me dep on your case, Shotty Mark. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And Shotty Mark, me have a surprise for you. Watch.